Hello, my name's Ingemar Hunnings, and I'm the lead consultant at HCL. And I'm going to talk today about how to export a report out of Leap into Excel and then how to manipulate that data. So I'm going to share my screen and we will go into my Leap. This is my training data set, and go to the reports menu and reports. And you can see then it brings up the reports and they're organized into these 4 chapter headings. I'm going to go to Office and Invoices report because this is one that people are going to use a lot and may well want to export and to manipulate the data. So Invoices report. Now all the reports in Leap have different filters. I'm going to take this back a little bit to get some invoices in here. I'm not going to have the drafts. I'm just going to have the final invoices, and I'm going to have the start acting initials shown, no grouping. I'm just going to hit view. So this is going to generate this report, which has the data in here. I'm not going to go through this report in detail. In this video, I'm showing you how to export the data. So you have here the ability to export data in various formats, but I'm going to choose Excel and export. Okay, so I will hit that to run it as an Excel document. Let's wait for Excel to open up. Okay, so we now have the Excel document opened up. In order to be able to manipulate the data, you need to enable editing at the top here, and then hit this little triangle in the top left-hand corner, which highlights the whole spreadsheet. Let's move me up and out of the way. Fine. It also highlights this little area here, merge and center. Hit the drop down to the right and unmerge the cells. Then you can just hover it in this, get the line between the 2 columns here, double left click, and it resizes the column to match the data inside the column. Okay. This is really Excel training here. Now, this out of the way so you can see this more clearly. If I click on here and drag across, I can highlight these cells and I can add data filters. There's the filter, which will then allow you to organize the data in the chosen column, largest to smallest or smallest to largest, etc. You can just hit a row, and then using view, you can freeze the panes so that is locked and you can see the header row above there. Okay. Now then, we've got this into Excel and we're now playing around with Excel a little bit. This is just exported data in here. You can see it's telling us it's just a figure. Similarly, the total is just an exported figure. So if we wanted to see what the fees X that actually were for certain chosen categories of work, which categories are outside of what Leap can allow you to filter from the report itself, then you need to put a formula in. So if we, instead of this, put in equals sum, or indeed maybe I don't do it there. Let's go back a little bit so you can see the original figure there. You can put it wherever you want. So if I put in there equals sum, brackets, and then I'm going to go to the top of the column and left click and hold down the cursor and drag it down to the end of the chosen area. I'm going to put it just above the total, close the bracket up here and just click away. What we have is this figure matching that. Perfect. But if then we chose to take out a row, let's delete that. Do you see this figure has recalculated because it's actually a dynamic figure? Let's take out this figure here, right click, delete, and you see it's recalculated down again. So that's how you can get your report out of the Leap reports into Excel and start to manipulate it. Again, my name is Ingemar Hunnings. I am the lead consultant at HCL. We've been working with Leap since 2015. We've been implementation consultants for hundreds of firms. We do a lot of work with Leap and other things, management consultancy and compliance and such, but we do a lot of training outside of the implementation projects, new starter training, refresher training, training on using Leap for compliance, and various other things. So feel free to reach out to us. The website, hunningsconsultants.co.uk, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.